because we have a good time on this channel. How to join the AliExpress affiliate program. Welcome to my channel, and hi, my name is Oluwatoyin, or you can call me Kutoyin. I'm a student, a YouTuber, a content creator, and if you are seeing me for the very first time, hello, welcome to this channel. Feel free to subscribe because we have a good time on this channel. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. I'm happy to see you. Hope you're also happy to see me. You've seen the title of this video, so you know why we are here. So let's get into the video right away. Sorry, I had to remove my glasses because it was sending back reflection. Like, you can literally see that I put my phone at the back of the window. It is like it is showing. So I had to remove the glasses, and you know what? Let me just say like this in my bare face. Today we'll be learning on how to become an AliExpress affiliate marketer, or how to join the AliExpress affiliate program. Before we get into all the gist, we have to learn what an AliExpress affiliate program is, because we can't just jump straight in without knowing what an AliExpress affiliate program, like what it entails. Before we even go to the program, before we learn about the affiliate program, now let's talk about AliExpress itself. I have some videos about AliExpress, so you can check my previous videos about AliExpress to know a little about them. Download the app from Play Store or Apple Store, register, and yeah, you can check out that app on its own. You can check out AliExpress on its own. It is a Chinese website where you buy things at cheaper rates and import down to your country. Now, AliExpress is not like before. Things have changed, but I'm going to be making another video to update you about AliExpress, like to tell you the updated version about AliExpress. It has changed. It's not like how it was in 2019, 2020. Things have changed about AliExpress, and yeah, a lot of things have changed. I'll be saying that in another video, not this one. I'm not trying to make this long. I want this to go straight into the point. So what is AliExpress affiliate program? AliExpress affiliate program is a program that is brought out by AliExpress that makes you earn money. Now, this AliExpress program makes you earn a commission of 9% of whatever you sell. 9 to 90% of whatever you sell. If you hear any noise from the background, just know that I don't know what the man is making, but I think he's making a chair or something. He's constructing something, and the noise is disturbing. I don't know how. Just forgive the noise and focus on me, like whatever I'm saying to you. So AliExpress affiliate program helps you make money by selling for them. Okay, once someone buy an item with your link, with your affiliate link, you will make a commission of 9%, and that is a very good way of making money. And it's not only AliExpress that does this thing. Alibaba does it, Shein, Amazon in Nigeria, Oraimo does it, Jumia does it. So not only AliExpress, you can also check out other places to become an affiliate marketer for. Not only AliExpress, Oraimo does it here in Nigeria. Of course, I'm from Nigeria. Oraimo does it, Jumia does it. Different apps does it. You earn a commission when a purchase is made with your link. That is how affiliate marketing is. Not only for AliExpress, but for every other app. There are different apps. Not all apps though. Some apps does it. So check it out, whichever country you are, and you can join the affiliate program. But for AliExpress, you earn 9% of whatever you sell. Now, the next thing is how to become an AliExpress affiliate marketer. I'm going to be leaving a screen record of everything I'm going to be saying, because I'm not planning on doing too much. I just want to say it, like I just want to explain to you. But I'm going to be making a detailed video on how to sign up, how to register, how to get your link in another video, not this one. But I just want to tell you, I just want to like voice it out, how to become an affiliate marketer. Now, this is the real point, and it is how to become an affiliate marketer, how to become an AliExpress affiliate marketer. So first thing you need to do is to go to your Google and type AliExpress affiliate program. Once you type it, it will take you straight down to the AliExpress affiliates portal, and you can read about their program. You can read about the program, how you can earn money, your commission, the percentage of your commissions, and everything like that. So you can read it through. And when you read it, you will see a place where they will ask you to register, like to join them, become part of them. You register. Once you register, you get to, like, I'm going to be leaving the screen record of everything so you will see and understand what I'm talking about. So just go to your Google and type on AliExpress affiliate program. It will bring it to you. This is self-explanatory, something self-explanatory. You will register and you will see everything. They will ask you a lot of questions. It's not difficult, trust me, it's not difficult. And once you are done, it will take them 1 to 3 business working days for them to review your request, and they will get back to you through the mail that you have sent to them, through the mail that you have dropped. Okay, through the mail you have dropped. So they will review your request and they will get back to you with the mail. So this, it takes 1 to 3 working days. It is very self-explanatory. You will see the screenshot here. It is self-explanatory and you don't really need to do too much. They'll just ask you a little details about you, like your Instagram page and where you want to be driving traffic from, like those kind of questions. Not really too hard. Trust me, not hard. You just, once you are done, register, and like I said, it takes 1 to 3 business working days. So they will send you a reply through the mail you dropped. Please know there is no way you will become an affiliate marketer that you will not have AliExpress app itself, AliExpress app on your page. It's not possible. So go download the app if you don't have it. Now, this is the last thing I want to talk about. Is how to earn money on AliExpress affiliate. When your review has been checked and you've been granted, like they've accepted you as an AliExpress affiliate marketer, how do you earn money? How do you make sales? How do you bring in people with your affiliate link to earn a commission? How do you do these things? Now, the answer is you will earn money through social media, like through creating content on social media. Most of the times, you don't need to put your face out there before you make sales on any product, like before you make a review on any product. The easiest way is to get the video of the product there on AliExpress and post it on any social media platform. You can use Instagram, you can use Twitter, you can use Pinterest, you can use TikTok. You will see people like reviewing products on TikTok and they will tell you to click the link in their bio to get that particular product. That link in their bio is the affiliate link. So once you buy that particular product with the link, they get a commission. There are different ways to make sales. You can either buy the product and make a video, review the product on your page, or you do like a faceless review. Now, this is how to do a faceless review. Whenever you want to put this product like out, let's say you want to like put it to people to make sales, one thing you need to do, check there on AliExpress if the product has if it has a video. When you get to AliExpress, you will see that it has a video. If it does not have a video, you can go on TikTok and search for that particular product. Once it comes out, you download it and you post it on, let's say on Instagram. I'm using an Instagram page here. I have a total different Instagram page for affiliate marketing, like for AliExpress affiliate marketing. So what you need to do is to get that video. Once you get the video, you post it there on your, you post it there and you tell people to buy through the link. Understand? Or if you have this app 1688 is not something you can just get anyhow, because it is not on Play Store, neither is it on Apple Store and anything. You need someone to send it to you, to share it to you before you can have that app. Now, if you have this app 1688, so all you need to do is to screenshot that item on AliExpress. Now take it to your 1688 app. You know the search with camera. You want to search with camera. You input that you input the picture, it will scan and it will bring it out for you. Now, one thing 1688 will give you is the product. They will definitely give you the video of that product. So what you do is to download that video and take it to anywhere and post it. Understand? You are making a faceless review on the product. So those videos, you will see that they test it out. They show you everything, details by details about the particular product. So all you need to do is to just download that video, take it, let's say it's to Instagram, or you are using it on or Twitter or Pinterest or anything you are using to put out your affiliate link out there. Go there and post it and write some write-ups about it. And yes, tell people to just buy through your affiliate link. Please note that not all sellers on AliExpress want their product to have like to be affiliated on. How will I put it in English? Not all sellers on AliExpress signed up for the affiliate program. I don't know how to explain it. Like the main sellers on AliExpress, not all of them signed up for the affiliate program. So sometimes when you click on product, you cannot get the affiliate link. When you click on product, you cannot add it to your affiliate link because the seller did not open the store up for for partnership like that, for affiliate partnership. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I'm trying my best to like explain, but that is the way that is. Sometimes when you click product, you want to click the product to like like to add it to your affiliate link. Sometimes you will not like the product will not have any link, and that is because that seller do not want people to. I don't know how to explain. Like, do not want people to like do not want any. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Like, sorry, that means that seller is not open to affiliate programming. Like, it's not open. Like, do not open himself for people to like resell his product for him or her. I hope you understand what I'm saying. How to make sales is for you to either buy and make review, or you make a faceless review. Like, just like the way I explained, to make a faceless review of the product. I'm going to be dropping a video on how to generate a link for AliExpress affiliates, like how to generate the link of a particular product for AliExpress affiliates. And yes, I'm going to be having a detailed video on how to sign in or sign up, that is to register or to sign in for affiliates, for AliExpress affiliates marketing. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, don't forget to like ask me down there in the comment section, and follow me on all social media platforms. Follow me on Instagram at cool.toyin. Follow me on TikTok. Well, I just run a business page on TikTok. Like, I'm a jewelry vendor, and my TikTok is basic. I just do it basically for my business. So you can't find like a personal TikTok page. But if you want to support my business, join my TikTok page at 2K Jewelry Store. 2K Jewelry Store. That is my TikTok page. Like, it's mainly for my I just use that page for my business and business alone. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll see you again in another video. Bye.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew wish I knew. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew